Students, I am going to explain about the activity number 6, that is to prepare 100 ml of 0.1 mole standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is also called as Mohr salt. Theory is that the molecular formula of ferrous ammonium sulfate is FeSO4 dot NH4 twice SO4 dot 7H2O, and its molar mass is 392 gram. So 1000 ml of 1 mole solution of FAS, it contains 392 gram of ferrous FAS solution. So we are preparing in 100 ml 0.1 mole of solution of FAS. So we need to calculate how much amount of weight we are going to take. So that is 300 into 0.1 multiplied by 392, that is molar mass of FAS, divided by 1000 into 1. So which is equal to 3.92 gram of FAS. Students, so we have taken here with the help of scientific balance 3.92 gram of FAS, and now we are preparing 0.1 mole of FAS solution. So for that we need distilled water, 3.92 gram of FAS solution, standard flask, funnel. So now I will prepare and I will show you. Now first I will take this entire amount, I will transfer into the standard flask, and I will add slowly water because FAS is completely soluble in water. So now you can see, once the solution is dissolving, it is a light green color solution, you can see. So as it is dissolving, so slowly it is falling into the standard flask. So now we will shake this continuously so that it will get dissolved in water. And now you can see, student, this is white mark. So we have to prepare solution up to this white mark. So that is nothing but 0.1 mole of FAS solution. So slowly now you can check it. Still it has to dissolve. So I will add water up to here. And then from here till white mark we have to add very carefully. Slowly you have to add it. Now you can see FAS solution is completely dissolved. Okay, so now I will keep here and I will add this water very slowly. Students, you can see now it is colorless solution, so lower meniscus should coincide with white mark. Avoid air bubbles. So still one more drop I need to add. Now you can see this is your activity number 6, where you have to prepare 0.1 mole of FS solution, where the lower meniscus it is coincide with the white mark.